New tonight, Alex Pretti's family is responding to the DOJ's investigation into his death by federal agents last Saturday. An attorney for his parents says the family's focus is on a fair and impartial investigation that examines the facts around his murder. That's their words, murder. It's important to note no one has been charged.
Callan Gray is live tonight in St. Paul with new concerns about a conflict of interest. Callan.
The Justice Department says a criminal civil rights investigation is now underway. But Governor Walz and Attorney General Keith Ellison's offices tell us tonight a state investigation is still needed, and state officials are calling on federal authorities to share investigative files with the BCA.
Of course, this is something that we're investigating.
Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche says the FBI is reviewing video footage, interviewing witnesses, and analyzing evidence to determine if Alex Pretti's civil rights were violated when he was shot and killed. Blanche says coordinating with the Department of Homeland Security, which is doing its own investigation.
I don't want to overstate what's happening. I don't want the takeaway to be that there's some massive civil rights investigation that's happening. This is what I would describe as a standard investigation by the FBI when there's circumstances like what we saw last Saturday.
It is significant they're going to do this investigation, and part of it is because it may be the standard practice historically, but it hasn't been the standard practice of this administration during Operation Metro Surge.
Former federal prosecutor Mark Osler says the central question will be whether agents were operating in self-defense. Governor Tim Walz is calling for an independent investigation, posting, quote, Trump's right hand cannot be responsible for investigating his left hand.
Are there mechanisms or policies in place to address a potential conflict of interest when you have a federal agency investigating federal agents?
Historically, what has protected that is the independence and whole of the Department of Justice, that there was an understanding, and it wasn't a part of law, but an understanding that the Department of Justice would make independent decisions. Now, that's broken down in this administration.
The U.S. Attorney's Office will decide if there should be charges. Osler says it will take time.
Any case that's coming through the United States Attorney's Office right now is going to face the problem of a diminished staff.
We've reported this month 6 federal prosecutors resigned from the U.S. Attorney's Office in Minneapolis over pressure, they say, to investigate Renee Good's partner. When pressed today whether there will be a civil rights investigation into Renee Good's death now, Blanche said cases are handled differently depending on the circumstances. Reporting live in St. Paul, Callan Gray, 5 Eyewitness News.